Okay guys, so we're quickly going to review our states of matter, solids, liquid, gases, and plasma. Okay, so try to identify the different states of matter based on their descriptions here. Okay, so number one, when particles are spread out with lots of energy, that's our gas. Number two, when particles are close together but have enough energy to move around each other, that's a liquid. Number three, when atoms have so much energy that they break apart and the protons and electrons go flying, that's a plasma. And number four, when particles are close and ridge in formation and just vibrate in place, that is a solid. And I guess I didn't have number five on the last one. How do you change a state of matter of something? You can add heat or change the temperature. Okay, so remember in class, we modeled these with our hand motions. Solids, you had your hands close together vibrating. Liquids, they were passing over you. Gases, they're farther apart, moving around faster. And then plasma is going crazy and the different parts of the atom are falling apart. Okay, so identify which one is which for these different ones. Solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. Okay, so our gas is going to be this first one, where the particles are moving, there's lots of space in between it. Solid, here, all of the particles are just vibrating they're staying in the same place. Liquid, they're moving past each other. And then our plasma here, the important thing to notice here are the pluses and minuses on the different circles on this figure, because that's showing that their protons and electrons are there because the atom has split apart and those different subatomic particles are flying everywhere. So that's what makes it a plasma. Okay, so put these in order from most energy to least energy. Let's take a second and do that. So our most energy is going to be our plasma. Then it will be our gas, then liquid, and then solid. So now put them in order from organization. So we want to go from most order or most organized to least order, least organized. Let's take a second and do that. Our most organized is going to be our solid, because they're all in the same place. They're not really moving. They're staying in nice little rigid rows. Then we have our liquid, then our gas, and last is going to be our plasma. We get more and more chaotic least as we go. And that is our review for states of matter.